8-4. Set number 2. One set to Adamson already as Miralles unable to convert there. A poor hit. Pero lucky break para sa UE. I think that, yes, as Adamson was not able to cover yung opening doon, just found a tiny little hole in the defense of the Lady Falcons.
So far, good showing from the Lady Warriors. Guevara, of course, wants to put in more points for the Lady Falcons.
Faye Guevara really up level over her gameplay after last season. I don't know what she did in the off-season, pero ang laki ng in-improve. To see Faye Guevara, and her service is also pretty good as well. Masangkay winning the joust against Pineda.
Well, siguro sabi niya earlier, naisahan mo ko, not this time around.
That's the way to do it. Umanap ka ng angle. You can't really go on head-to-head.
That's right.
Harapan. Umanap ka ng angle and then dump it down. Pineda. Nanggigil.
Sends it outside.
But such athleticism on display from Sheila Pineda. You see how high she went?
Exactly, and you know the way how high she jumps at the start of the game is the same height that she jumps all throughout, even if it's a 5-setter match. Oh, that
Just
takes it to the line.
On the line again. Mental lapses on the part of Adamson here. Coach Meneses nakakunot na yun, with that error. Shakey's fast serve. Brought to you by Shakey's Fun Family Pizza. Well, it wasn't that fast, but it was deceiving. It was high up in the air, and then all of a sudden, just
another service is from Faith
ball
Bulan.
does it again. Listana, pinabayaan yung serve na yun ni Bulan, and si Coach Meneses looks like parang nagdidilim na yung paningin with that second error.
He was definitely not happy, 2 in a row.
There's just no reaction from Coach Meneses.
Another service ace.
That's 3 in a row from Bulan. Wow! 3 straight points, and there's Coach Meneses. Just can't react anymore.
Definitely not happy.
I mean, what can you say now? UE leading by 1, 10-9.
One more serve.
Finally,
this time.
Yeah, Listana picks it up. Soriano puts an end to all of that. Right smack on the line.
And again, UE managing to score points at the back row or at the end line. For Adamson, if recall in set number 1, the attack that they executed wherein yung talagang pinababagsak nila sa likod, dun sila nakapuntos.
There's the service ace by Pineda. Bumabawi ang Adamson. 2 straight points here to retake the lead by 1, 11-10.
The Lady Warriors will just need to take control, minimize the errors para hindi masyadong lumayo ang Adamson.
That's exactly what they need to do. Pero si Dawi's very poor percentage for her. I mean, she's probably hit 1 for 6 or 1 for 5 so far, Always to the net para kay Dawi so far in this game. She really has to up the level of her play here today. Because, I mean, if she were only on, malaking pag-asa ng UE. Especially with Dawi's and her height. She can do so many things. Kasi si Bulan, si Nebrida, they're easily read. You can only put them sa open. But si Dawi's, she can do so much more. And if she can get her game on, mahihirapan bumantay itong Adamson.
That's right, and we have to also note that there are only 2 attackers now at the front line for UE. So both of them would definitely have to deliver.
Another hit straight to the net, pero actually hindi. It hit an arm of a Lady Falcon. So it's still good to be played itong bolang to. Here comes Zapanta.
Zapanta off the block.
Nice play. 14-10 after a burst of points from UE. Adamson led by Zapanta and the setting of Makatuno. They establish or re-establish a 4-point lead. Nebrida in the open. Great coverage there by Pineda. Free ball, a rare one para sa UE. Really, Dawi's is not on her game today.
Well, I think she did have the right intention in mind. Definitely nobody there at the end court.
Prior to the technical timeout, tumawag ng timeout si Coach Dalistan. Pakinggan natin.
Lucet. Wag mo na ibigay na running for. Papuntay mo na lang dito, habaan mo na lang. Habaan mo na lang, haba. Be quick tayo. Be quick tapos open, tapos ibigay mo kay Faith. Banda rito lang yung bola ni Faith, Faith. Okay, tapos ang bola nila, ang ibibigay natin bola, hindi mo papaluin. Hindi mo papaluin, itutulak mo lang din. Tulak, basa, yun lang. Yun, tulak lang dito. Pero pag lumibri si Lucet, bigay kay Lucet, ha? Pag wala ka ng option, ha? Come on, let's go. Basa lang.
That goes to show you how frustrated si Coach Dalistan is. He may not show it sa kanyang boses, pero at just 1 point before the technical timeout, he rearranged the offense. Pinaltan niya kasi he sees Dawis is struggling with that running hit. So sabi niya, ibahin na natin ang ating strategy to make it easier for our players.
Now the service ace from Pineda. Papakamot na lang si Coach Boy.
Well, that's 16-10 now, and here is the technical timeout. Adamson up over UE.